To us, beauty starts from within isn't just a phrase. It has a real meaning, and it's the reason why we started Hum.
Now here's how it all began. For that, we have to cross the Atlantic and go to London.
Back in London, Chris and I were selling healthy products, but there was one thing we could really never understand. Why are vitamins so complicated? I also personally struggled with breakouts, and since I don't wear makeup, I needed another solution. Luckily, I met this great nutritionist who totally changed my life. She showed me how nutrition can transform your skin from the inside out. So anything you put inside your body has a real impact on how you look and feel. However, there was still one problem.
One day, Walter said to me, "Why is it so hard to find a vitamin that's right for my skin?"
So Chris came back to me and had this crazy idea and said, let's move to America, the land of vitamins, and change that. So 4 weeks later, we packed up our things to relocate to the capital of health and nutrition, LA.
All Hum vitamins are made of the purest and the most potent sources, and they're all fully gluten and GMO free. And they are sustainably sourced, made at our high-tech facility here in California to the strictest quality standards. Best of all, they have great science behind them, and they work.
And lastly, why the name Hum? No, it's not a yoga brand. We actually were inspired by the vibrant beauty of hummingbirds. We love how they whiz around all day, full of energy, and are powered by Mother Nature. And I also like to hum when I'm in the shower, and I'm really happy.
Each formula also has a catchy name that is easy to understand, and it tells you exactly what it does.
Hum is huge with nutritionists. Those with the highest standards recommend Hum to clients all over the United States. Let's meet them now.
Hi, I'm Alex Caspero, and I specialize in functional nutrition. When I first discovered Hum products, I immediately fell in love with them. I love that they're easy. They tell you exactly what the nutrient is good for, and if you're looking for whether it's healthy skin, stronger nails, you can really sort of zero in and find the product that's best for you. One of my favorite products is Red Carpet. It's perfect for glowing skin and shiny, fuller hair. Sometimes I joke that it's, like the permanent Instagram filter. Made from black currant oil and rich in GLA, ALA, and vitamin E, it's your perfect partner in crime for every photo op.
Hi, my name is Lauren Schmidt, and I've been a nutritionist for 9 years. Hum is my favorite line of supplements, and I recommend it in my private practice every day. Let me introduce you to Killer Nails. Killer Nails is an amazing product. It contains a lot of biotin, which can strengthen your hair and your nails. It is also fully vegan. Say goodbye to weak nails and split ends.
This is OMG. Think of it as your foundation for perfect skin. OMG hydrates and evens the skin. It's got the ideal ratio of EPA and DHA, which are omegas that can be hard to come by in the diet. OMG is made from tiny fish, which is a benefit because they don't contain toxins like larger fish. Personally, I love that it doesn't contain any fishy aftertaste. I recommend OMG all the time. It's suitable for everyone.
Next on my list is Daily Cleanse. When you take Daily Cleanse, you're detoxed from the inside out, not just your skin, but also your entire body. Daily Cleanse has a wide array of powerful plants inside, including organic algae and detoxifying herbs such as milk thistle and dandelion root.
This is FlatterMe, a unique digestive enzyme created to promote a flatter stomach through a healthy digestion. An unbalanced digestion doesn't break down foods, gets jammed up, toxins build, your skin suffers, and your tummy will bloat. We designed FlatterMe after analyzing the diet choices of 7,000 women. The results were truly mind-blowing and showed us why so many of us struggle with our digestion and can't achieve our beauty goals. FlatterMe contains a full spectrum of 18 digestive enzymes and, as the name suggests, helps you to break down foods, including sugars, carbs, and fats, to support a flatter stomach through less bloating. Remember, your digestion is your beauty's BFF. There are also great popular combos for Hum, beauty buddies if you will, where the vitamins work great together. OMG plus Daily Cleanse are perfect for blemish-prone skin. And Red Carpet plus Killer Nails is a great beauty combo. We've already combined them for you in our runway ready set.